Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing the roast chicken challenge. I was tagged by yeesu. I've been a little bit busy, so I'm not 100% sure on the specific rules on the challenge, but I know you have to eat a roast chicken, so I've got a free range chicken, some calamari rings, and usually when I eat roast chicken I love having it with some taco shells. And to go with the chicken we have nandos Perri BBQ sauce. And guys, I've got some melted cheese. Let's take it out. Okay, that's hot. I don't know how I'm going to take it out. I'm going to have to insert the spoon into the chicken. Oh, that's hot. That's hot. Really hot. Oh. Alright guys, so I've got our roast chicken, taco shell, calamari rings, melted cheese, nandos Perri BBQ sauce, a cup of lime. Let's do it. Alright guys, before we start, calendar time. Today's the 17th. I think I've missed about 2 days already. 15th. Oh wait. Oh, that's right. It's 12:30 AM. 16. 17th. I'm good to go. You know what? Let's start with the chicken drumstick. Right into that cheese. Guys, look at that. That is beautiful. Alright, first bite. Roast chicken with melted cheese. That's a good idea. Actually goes with each other really well. That was a nice first bite. Oh man. Guys, sorry. I had to turn off the camera for a second and I forgot to press record. So you missed out me eating this second drumstick. Don't worry, you didn't miss much. Alright, let's try the calamari with cheese. Yep, this is going to be good. No, that's amazing. Oh man. Let's make a little chicken taco. I was about to put a piece of bone in my taco. And I just drop a lime. Alright. Chicken. Some of this clogged up cheese. Not really melted cheese anymore, but oh man. Guys, I do have some salad here. You know what? Let's put some salad in. Oh, but it's gonna ruin it. You know what? Maybe the second one. Some of this sauce. Oh man, that's going to be good. Chucking a calamari ring. I don't know where to start. Alright. It's just I don't know where to buy it. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That is so amazing. Man. This is really good. It's so good when I eat this salad. Man, that's amazing. Seriously, this is my favorite part of the roast chicken, the stuffing. When I was a little kid, my siblings and I would fight to the death for the stuffing. I'm not even kidding, we actually fought for this. Had to knock out my sister and brother one time, just to show who's boss. This stuffing is so unique. I've never had this type of stuffing before. I actually really like this. Has a very nice texture to that. Sorry, I don't think I'm gonna eat the butt. Put some sauce in that. I love roast chicken. You could do so much with it, and you can eat it with anything. Man, the stuffing's so good. Alright guys, I'm almost out of the cheese, so we're gonna have to be cheeseless. Oh man, that's hot. The breast is actually quite moist. I need some of this habanero hot sauce. Oh, not that much. Oh, that's That's the kick I needed. Alright, let's make another delicious taco. Before we start, remember to put some salad into it, or lettuce, whatever it is. Some chicken, some of this cheese. Oh man, I need more cheese. This is going to be delicious. Man, this is so good. Oh God, just put a piece of bone in that. Alright, let's try this chicken wing out. Feels very very tender. That's good stuff. I know this video is probably not that visually appetizing, but it's delicious to me. I love the simplicity of this. And I didn't have to cook much. Well, I didn't cook at all. Besides chucking this in the air fryer. I really love this calamari ring. Oh man. Man, it's spicy. Man, that's spicy. It's so tasty, but really spicy. Oh, man, that's spicy. Alright, oh, I was about to dip in that, but not anymore. Oh man. The chicken's still hot, so when you eat something spicy and you eat something hot as well, oh man, it hurts. Just about half of the chicken's done. Oh man, that's hot. Alright. Let's take off all the meat. This is probably so disgusting to you guys right now. But I'm just trying to remove the bone from the meat, or most of it. And get rid of the rubbish. Alright, we're looking good. Let's make another delicious taco. Actually, it won't be that delicious anymore because I ain't got no cheese left, and that's very sad. I'm not touching that habanero hot sauce anymore. Alright, chuck some lime on that. Oh yeah. Even without the cheese, still amazing. Man, I don't know why I kept dipping into that habanero hot sauce. It's killing me. This last couple piece needs a lot of sauce. Actually, that's not bad. The sauce helped a lot. Actually, it's not that dry. But this piece looks dry and feels dry. That feels real dry. And that's right, that's what this sauce is for. Oh yeah, that's dry. It's not as dry as it feels in my hand. Usually the last couple bites, I'm trying to save the best bit so I can enjoy it, but not this time. It's not bad, but when you've been eating chicken for 15 to 20 minutes and it's getting cold, last thing I want to do is eat the breast. All in all, that was a delicious meal. I think I forgot to tag who I want to challenge. You know what, I'm just going to tag them at the start of the video, somewhere on the screen. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh man. Alright, I'm done. That was the roast chicken challenge. Thanks for watching, guys.